Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in Etoro. So first step, go over home, then search here Bitcoin. As you can see, BTC, this icon, click on it, and here you can trade your Bitcoin, so you can buy it basically. Press trade when you're ready. Then you can select the amount, so I will select of course $20, click on buy, close this one. Here you can see how much money do you have available. Here you can see the price of Bitcoin currently, percentage, and you can set a leverage, which I don't recommend. Do not do it if you are not skilled enough. And you can also set your stop loss or take profit. So basically it will automatically sell if the price of Bitcoin hits a stop loss. So this is the current price of Bitcoin and this is what you're buying it. So if you take profit $200, it will automatically sell as well. Then click on buy, and as you can see, order filled, and you can go over to your portfolio and see that you have this Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.